To prevent claim denials and rejections, providers and financial management services agencies, or FMSAs, should always check an individual's eligibility for Medicaid services before submitting any claims to Texas Medicaid and Healthcare Partnership, or TMHP. The Medicaid Eligibility and Service Authorization Verification, or MESAV function, located in TexMed Connect, can be used to verify eligibility electronically. In this video, we'll walk through how to verify eligibility for a single person and review the information MESAV provides. To learn how to verify eligibility for a group of individuals at one time, watch Part 2 and 3 of this video series. To access MESAV, click TexMed Connect on the homepage of the TMHP website. Sign in to your TMHP IM Online account. Click MESAV under the navigation panel. On the MESAV entry screen, complete the required fields indicated by the red dots. When selecting dates for the eligibility start date and end date fields, remember that the dates can't be more than 3 months apart. Also, make sure you are entering the correct date range for the service authorizations you would like to view. Next, enter a combination of information shown on the screen in the fields below and click Submit. We recommend you reference the Long-Term Care, or LTC, user guide for TexMed Connect to learn more about submitting a MESAV interactively. After entering the information, the MESAV results screen appears. In the Service Authorization section, you'll see the billable and allowable services for an individual. This includes the effective and end dates for the service authorization, the referral number assigned to the individual by the state, authorized units, units paid, and so on. Keep in mind that the referral number is required on all claims. As you scroll down the MESAV results screen, you'll see eligibility information such as the begin and end dates, the coverage code, which will help you with claim submission, the secondary coverage code, program type, and coverage category. The levels information includes the approved level of care, or LOC, for the individual and the effective date. The client hold information section displays any hold information for the individual. It's important you look at this section to prevent claim rejections. If you submit a claim during a time the individual is on hold, the claim will be rejected by TMHP. Entering eligibility information correctly on claims will help ensure accurate and successful claims processing. You can export MESAV results into a portable document format, or PDF, by clicking the PDF icon at the top of your screen. You can also click the Print button on your browser tool to print a paper copy. Keep in mind that MESAV information can change daily, so any exported or printed copies may not be accurate afterwards. For up-to-date information, you should perform another MESAV search. For more information on MESAV, reference the Long-Term Care, or LTC user guide for TexMed Connect, located on the 1915C Waiver Programs Reference Material page of the TMHP website. Don't forget to watch parts 2 and 3 of this video series to learn how to check eligibility for a group of individuals using a group template.